Okay, good afternoon. This is Kenny here, and it's very hot weather. I'm in Melaka now. So what you see behind me is actually the oldest temple in Malaysia. Oldest functioning temple in Malaysia is the Cheng Hoon temple. So today we're going to take a look at what's inside the Cheng Hoon temple. And actually, my parents, my mom, still until this day, right, they bring me to this temple and pray in this temple. So let's take a look. Alright? This is how the temple looks out from the outside. This road, right, you go down all the way, turn left is actually Jonker Street already. So this is how the temple looks like from the outside. Okay? So it's actually quite big. Let me show you the main entrance. So during festive seasons, right, especially during Vesak or any festive seasons, prayers is definitely very full. So on right opposite is actually Kampung. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Okay, and this is the Cheng Hoon temple.
Not here，那边比较凉。有个 Majestic Hotel 很凉的。
So that until that wall, that's the end of the temple. So there's a signboard here. Oldest temple in the country, okay? Functioning temple in the country. Guan Yin to three doctrines, okay? Taoism, Confucianism, and Chinese Buddhism. Let's go. So this is the main entrance. So the moment you come in the temples, on the left here, right, this is where they sell the materials for you to pray, incense, 1 ringgit or 3 ringgit. So this is the 3 ringgit one. So let's see what's inside actually. So this is what you get for 3 ringgit. Some joss sticks, candle, this paper to burn. All these three is to burn one. Okay. So usually I start first by burning the candle. Okay. So can you see that there are other candles here? Okay. So we usually will light some inside here or there. It is believed that if you actually light someone else's candle, you are actually helping them to to pray, to fulfill their wishes for them. So you should always light somewhere neutral for your own self. That's what they say lah. Okay. So there are two sides. I'm gonna light one side first and then come back again. Okay. Since I'm holding the camera now. Now I'm putting for my own one side, the other side. So the paper, right, you can just put it on the table here. Since burning someone else's paper or using someone else's joysticks here will help someone fulfill their wishes instead of yours, you don't have to worry about people stealing it. Okay, just put it here. Maybe it's invented to actually deter theft, I'm not sure, but either way it's a very interesting superstition. Okay, so now I'm just lighting up the joysticks, so let me just put the camera aside first. This is the main hall. You take out your slippers and before you come in. So the monks are conducting some prayers here. This is the main hall. Very sad day, I tell you, very full. Let me just take it. This is how the main hall looks like. Okay, let's continue our work. So there are vats here. You can see that the joystick usually we put in odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7. These joysticks. Okay. So 1, 3, 5, 7 until it's done. So usually we will start in the main shrine hall first. Okay. Offer your prayers to the heaven above, and then you start poking, putting joysticks. Come start here, behind here, and then go to the left and go to the right side, and then there's somewhere to enter. Okay, let me just continue my prayers. Okay, I think this is new to me. I didn't see this last time. Last time, right, they will usually put 1, 3, 5, 7, as many as you want, or as many as you want. Now they will put here, advise you to put one joystick, which is good. Okay, so at the end of the trip, at the end of all the prayers, this is where you need to burn this, and so this is where you do it. Alright, let's go. So there should be a yes, this one is the fire that usually is on all the time. Okay, so after you burn, then you put it here. Okay, put here. When you put, there's also a way to put it. This one cannot face like this. Okay, it is believed that if you face like this, these are money. Okay, if you believe you face like this, it's not valid anymore. So make sure you face like this. See this main door, right? And then this is the side door, small one. Last time this door used to be open. Okay, so when I finish, right, my parents always insist that I go out from this small door instead of the main door. You know why? Because what? The legend has it that when you come in the temple, right, you bring everything, good luck, bad luck, everything. So you come in here. So if you go back out the same door, then they will just good luck, bad luck, everything follow you. However, if you go out from this door, you see the door smaller, right? So only the bad luck will remain. You will go out with everything new. That's why, this is what they say lah. Okay. From the main shrine hall, you go to the left. There's also another side you can go to. Okay. You see a lot of influence of Taoism, Confucianism, and Chinese Buddhism. Okay. So it's stone slab here. So this place, last time usually my mom will bring me here to pray, especially when I have big exams, right? You will see a lot of vegetable as offering. Okay. So there's a tiger god there. Should read here about the tiger god. Okay. Tiger, king of beasts. Dispel bad luck. Prenatal protection, calm crime, is assist in business ventures. So these are offerings. You can actually get offerings and get the staff to do it for you. Okay. So you go down. There's our altar where they put the flag of the one dearly departed mom's friend is here. So too, Auntie Jennifer. So there's a small pond here. So actually, this temple won the UNESCO award for architectural restoration back in year 2003. So I want you to look at the roof here. Okay? This is actually intricate, very intricate architecture, beautiful architecture. Look at that roof. How detailed it is. So these are some of the paintings you can see. Okay. Show you some more. Okay, this is at the edge of the roof. Can you see that? How detailed the work. So this is the roof painting again. So as you go up from the pond, this is also a place to be departed. Okay? That will be the monks' quarters. They stay there. The monks this packet of memory. And this is also a place for to be departed. Okay?
它也是叫做泉州东岸。
Go out here. You see this line here? If you look closely, right, there's actually a ball inside here. There's actually a ball. So every time when I'm done after prayers, right, my parents will ask me to play with this ball here. Because it's believed, right, and you play this ball, you take back some good luck, okay? And if you can actually pull it out from the mouth, you have good luck forever. But so far, I have not seen anyone that actually did it before. So very amazing architecture. I try to find how the heck they put in the ball. Maybe it's some place behind that can open. But until now, I have not been able to find out. And I just like to leave it as a mystery. Pat the head for good luck. So then this one on the left, this one doesn't have. Just take this. It's a prayer. So these are trinkets available for donation. You can buy them. Prayer beads. So amulets. The architecture is the one that is a marvel. Look at this. And then look at this. Let me just zoom in. Look at the detail. Look at the details of the architecture. Let me zoom and show you. Look at that. Dragon head. Beautiful. Okay. Art at the main door, see? The dragon. Beautiful. Let me just show you how beautiful the roof is. Just right up close underneath this blazing sun. So I've zoomed in. I'm starting from the left. This is the left side. Okay? So this is the roof. This is what UNESCO actually awarded it for in 2003. Look at it. Look at the details. Unfortunately, I can only zoom this much. Okay? So this is the roof. Okay. So that's it for a tour of the oldest functioning temple in Malaysia. So if you are in Melaka, this is a place for must visit place. Yeah. So as usual, I'll leave the address in the description down below. Do pay a visit if you are coming to Melaka. This is Kenny here, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.